man is looking for a job, instead of the Lord giving the man job, he gives him favor. Because what favor will do, favor will not give you just the job. Favor will even give you promotion. Because the day of promotion, they will not look at CV. The Bible says, and Joseph, and God was with Joseph, and the favor of God was upon Joseph. So the system of his promotion was not hard work. It was a currency called favor. Oh my God. Hey. That God has just given a man grace. His grace is grease. Someone shared a testimony and said, Pastor, you know, there's a time you call people praying for projects. Now the Lord has opened a project. I went for an interview. In that interview, I said what I was doing. And in that interview, they gave me a job. And the person says, nilikuwa napika mandazi kwa street as a chef. Saizi nimepatiwa job ya almost $500,000 na contract ya 3 months. Na wamebambika na job yangu, wamenipe contract ingine. I say this is beyond kubambika. There is a currency God is telling you that you can buy without money. It is called grace. It makes things easy.